What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping in for the first time, feel free to get down there and click subscribe. If you enjoy this video, shoot it a thumbs up. Anyway, today, yes, I'm in the Jetta because yeah, I mean, I guess I could take the truck now, but good old, wow, that's dark. Good old Ben parked so close to me, I couldn't get out. So guys, gonna make this video super quick for you guys. Just because of what's happening here, I don't want to leave you guys hanging for such a long time. So me and Ben have the wonderful opportunity to head out to the SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada. And oh boy, are we excited. Last time I was in Vegas, I was well under 21. And no, that's not illegal, you can go to Vegas anytime, but it's well under 21. I couldn't do much, and I still had an amazing time there. Now being 21, it'll be an awesome time, along with seeing the SEMA show, which has been a dream of mine for the longest time ever. You know, as you guys know, building trucks, building cars, modifying it's just been me since I've been 16 and got my first truck. So, you know, always knowing of SEMA and trying to get out there, and finally having the ability and the opportunity to get out there. Oh, unreal. So I am so excited. I just want to tell you guys that we are headed to the SEMA show, yes. And what does that mean for you guys? In the comments below, I need you, blast the comments with what you guys want to see out there. You know, whether you guys have never been to Vegas, you want to see some, you know, shots of, you know, what Vegas is, you want to see shots of what you want to see at the show, what you want to see on the strip, what you want to see where I will be bringing this camera. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see out there. So guys, I know there's a lot of other YouTubers gonna be out there, and I know there's gonna be YouTubers' vehicles, and I also know there's gonna be a lot of companies out there. Like, let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, because, you know, I'm out there. I'm gonna be making content for you guys, and mainly, you know, I just want to tell you guys that, so, you know, when you're like, where's the video? I'm gonna be out there for this week, and, you know, the video and the SEMA recap of everything. I don't know if I would be, if I got so much footage, I'll split it up into multiple videos, but if not, I'll put it in one long banger that you guys can just watch. You know, if it's 30 minutes long, you guys can watch it as, you know, as you can finish it. So, next thing is update. I know there's a lot of things I wanted to get done before SEMA, which included the, you know, the custom grill, which I was not able to get to painting this weekend, and I also wanted to, you know, do the windshield tint on my truck, which I also was not able to get to because the intake, when the intake parts came, all I really had time to do was, you know, on Saturday, get the intake installed. Now we're in crunch time here. You know, right now I'm literally running out to get some final things all set up, so I'm ready for SEMA, and my flight leaves in like 8 hours or something. I gotta be at the airport at like 3:30 a.m. So I'm gonna get this video edited and up to you guys, but I'm also going to, yeah, I'm just making a quick video for you guys, just a little update, see what's going on. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Said I will be in Las Vegas for, you know, this week to be at the SEMA show. I'm super pumped, dude. There's gonna be crazy trucks out there, which is awesome because it's gonna give me dumb ideas, because one of my goals is, you know, SEMA 2019. We might, you know, if we get a little crazy and we have the right connections, we'll be able to get my truck out there for SEMA 2019. So that would be beyond awesome. Yeah guys, I'm beyond excited. You guys are gonna see some awesome things, awesome trucks. It's gonna give me ideas, gonna give you guys ideas what you want to see on the channel, because as we grow, we will have, you know, greater opportunities to do a large variety of things. And next year, like I said, SEMA 2019 is a goal. I've always wanted to have my truck, like you guys said, I've always wanted to have a truck, you know, at SEMA. But I know I'm gonna have a great time already, and I know that if I went back, I'd have an even more amazing time. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below, and, you know, we will we'll have an awesome time. And this weekend, you guys should see a recap video. If it's really long, bear with me, but trust me, you guys are going to want to see everything I saw at SEMA, because these trucks and everything people build, everything from the Diesel brothers to, you know, YouTubers, stuff is crazy. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for the support in these last videos. Just want to shoot you a quick update video, and yeah, fill you guys in, let you know what's happening, give you the ability to, you know, let me know what you guys want to see out there, because everyone wants to see SEMA, everyone wants that. So Let me know what you want to see and we'll bring you guys along. Thank you for the support. I honestly, truly appreciate it. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. If you have not been here before, please get down there and click subscribe for awesome content, and especially this awesome SEMA recap that will be coming your way. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.